Hello students, we are going to discuss about material balance without chemical reaction problem and crystallizer. First problem, a solution containing 53.8 gram MgSO4 per 100 gram water in cooled from 353 Kelvin to 323 Kelvin. In the process, 6% water evaporates. Our objective, how many kg of MgSO4.7H2O crystals are obtained per 100 kg of the original solution. This is our basis. What is the temperature? 323 Kelvin. The solution contains only 0.3 mass fraction. Mass fraction means that is the weight fraction. Weight fraction of MgSO4. What is the temperature? 323 Kelvin. Are you clear? So, we should follow the outline procedure for solving material balance without chemical reaction. The first step, basis. Basis of this problem, 100 kg of feed solution at 353 Kelvin. So, next step, draw a block diagram. So, here the crystallizer you take C or CRY. That is the crystallizer. So, mention all the known quantities. So, from our problem, the 100 kg of feed solution. Inlet temperature 353 Kelvin. In feed 53.8 gram MgSO4, 100 gram water. So, during crystallization, 6% water evaporate. What about the another one? In crystals obtained, some crystals also obtained. This is our product, MgSO4.7H2O. How much crystals obtained we don't know. That is our objective. We want to calculate how many kg of MgSO4.7H2O crystals are obtained. Another one, final solution, saturated solution. So, in that solution, 0.3 weight fraction of MgSO4. Weight fraction or mass fraction. What about the temperature? 323 Kelvin. So, this is our known quantity. So, here the feed value MgSO4 53.8 kg, water 100 kg. What about the total kg in feed? 53.8 plus 100, 153.8 kg. So, MgSO4 in feed solution. So, the how much MgSO4 in feed solution we want to calculate. So, the how much kg. Okay. So, in feed solution. So, here 153.8 kg solution contains 53.8 kg of MgSO4. Are you understand now? Okay. So, 100 kg of solution as per our problem. So, the 153.8 kg means total. The total solution. So, MgSO4 plus H2O. The total solution 153.8 kg solution contain 53.8 kg of MgSO4. Are you understand? What is our basis? 100 kg of solution. So, 153.8 kg solution contain 53.8 kg of MgSO4. So, 100 kg of solution contain how many kg of MgSO4 in feed solution? So, the 100 into 53.8 divided by 153.8. So, 34.98 kg MgSO4 in feed solution. When the basis is 100 kg of solution. Are you clear or not? Okay. So, what about the water? The total kg 100, 34.98 kg MgSO4. What about the other product? Water. So, the 100 minus, so 34.98 65.02 kg water in feed solution when 100 kg of solution. Are you clear or not? Okay. Yes. So then we are going to use the outline procedure. So before that we know the molecular weight of MgSO4 is right, easily calculated. MgSO4 molecular weight, that is Mg and sulfur and oxygen molecular weight, the summation of the atomic weight of this compound, that is equal to 120. So the molecular weight of MgSO4 dot 7H2O. So here Mg 1 molecule plus sulfur 1 molecule plus 4 oxygen plus 7 into water, that is a 246. Are you clear or not? Okay. So here MgSO4 120 plus 7 into 18, this is equal to 246. Are you clear or not? This is a crystal molecular weight. MgSO4 120 plus 7 into 18. So here, so we have to introduce the symbol of unknown quantity. So we want to calculate the kg of solution at 323 Kelvin. Then, so the kg of crystal. So we want X and Y value. They introduce the symbol X and Y. So individual material balance of MgSO4. So the MgSO4 in feed solution, MgSO4 in final solution plus MgSO4 in crystal. This is the first expression. So MgSO4 in feed solution already calculated value. So when 100 kg of total solution, 34.98 kg. Are you clear or not? Okay. Yes, this is the second expression. Now one part is over. LHS is over. We want, so here MgSO4 in final solution, MgSO4 in crystal. Okay. So MgSO4 in final solution. Final solution, this is the weight fraction. So here we have introduced the X. So this is the final solution. So 0.3 times of final solution. This is okay. But now we are going to concentrate the MgSO4 in crystal. The how will you calculate MgSO4 in crystal? So here the molecular weight of crystal we know. What is the crystal or problem? MgSO4 dot 7H2O. This is the crystal. So the MgSO4 dot 7H2O molecular weight 246. So 246 kg of crystal contained. How much kg of MgSO4? 120 kg of MgSO4. So here we have the symbol Y. What is the Y? So the crystal value Y. So the 246 kg of crystal contain 120 kg of MgSO4. So the Y kg of crystal contain how much kg of MgSO4? The cross multiply. 120 into Y divided by 246. So here MgSO4 in crystal. So the multiply with 120 divided by 246, 0.49 Y. This is the fourth expression. Now we have second expression, third expression, fourth expression. In first expression, 34.98 is equal to 0.3x plus 0.49 Y. This is the fifth expression. So next we have to concentrate individual material balance of water. Water in feed solution is equal to water in final solution plus water in crystal plus water evaporated. Are you clear or not? Okay, this is the sixth solution. Now we want all the values. First we are going to concentrate in LHS side. LHS water in feed solution. This is also calculated value already we have. So refer the previous slide. 65.02 kg. So the water in final solution. So the final solution 0.3 MgSO4. What about the total mole fraction, weight fraction? So the weight fraction addition is equal to always how much? 1. So out of 1, 0.3 MgSO4. What about the rest of the value? 0.7. 0.3 mgSO4 is present. But here water we need. The total weight fraction value is always 1. So the 0.3 mgSO4 means, so the out of 1, 0.7 is the water. What about the final solution notation? We have the symbol x. So this 0.7 times of x is the water in final solution. This much of kg. This is the 8th equation. So next we want water evaporated. During the crystallization operation, how much percentages are evaporated? 6%. How much of water entering the feed solution? 65.02 kg as per the basis of 100 kg. So 65.02 kg of water is entering. From that 6% is evaporated. What is the meaning? 0.06 into 65.02. So finally we get 3.9 kg. This is the 9th expression. Now we are going to concentrate water in crystal. How will we calculate water in crystal? 246 kg of crystal contain 126 kg of water. How it is come 126 kg? MgSO4.7H2O is a crystal. MgSO4 is the 1 molecule. Water is the 7 molecule. 7 into water molecular weight 18. That is equal to 126. So 246 kg of crystal contain 126 kg of water. As per our problem, so y kg of crystal contain how much kg of water? So 246 kg of crystal is equal to 126 kg of water. So y kg of crystal is equal to the cross multiply 126 into y divided by 246. So water in crystal 0.51 y. This is the 10th expression. Now we have 7, 8, 9, 10 expression in 6th expression. Substitute all the values. Finally we get 65.02 is equal to 0.7x plus 0.51y plus 3.9. This is the 11th expression. Solve equation 5 and 11. So we have the 5th expression and 11th expression. So the finally we get x and y value. 63.77 kg x. Y values are 32.35 kg. Thank you for your attention.